विसा उपरांत तुमचे स्वागत। जनतेन फुकट अर्ज तशेंच दाखले मेळोवपाक ऑनलायन सेवेचो वापर करचो। हाका लागून अर्ज सर्टिफिकेटी मेळोवपाक पैसे खर्च करपाची गरज ना म्हण ह्या वेळार महसूल मंत्री खंवटे उलयला। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
One thing, the last increase has been taking place in 2008. 2008 to 2009 was the last increase of rates. Last 8 to 10 years, there has been no increase of rates. Now, when we are increasing the rates, we are also enabling IT platform. So, what we are trying to say is, if you take residence certificate, divergence certificate, caste certificate, Form 1 and 14, through online procedures, you don't pay a single naya paisa. But if you are utilizing the same services through a common service center that we are trying to utilize, where the services will be given faster, money जो येता ताका टायम बाउंडान मेळटली, मनशाक 4 फाटी येवचें पडचें ना, आणि we will ensure transparency in the whole process when it is offline. So offline procedures where the certification process was 10 rupees or 20 rupees has been slightly increased to 40-50 rupees in terms of certification when it is offline. But online, to घरा बसून you call, where you don't have to have any travel time, nor petrol to be spent on a motorcycle to go and come, nor anything. You are actually saving time and money because you are not paying anything. So all online facilities of certificates of whether it's residence, caste, divergence, income, all these certificates including Form 1 and 14 and this, ये 4-5 already केल्ले and Form 1 and 14 and Form D is in the part of getting them on online. So online platform चे तांका charges जावचे ना. So they can definitely look at how we have already had this successful thing, moving it in this manner. So we are not talking about rates increase. The special जे खंय आसा कोण विलेज सर्वे प्लॅन मागता, कोण हाजो सगळे फूल मागतात, ते रेट्स मातशे आयडेंटिफाय एक्स्ट्रा केल्यात. म्हणजे 500 रुपये आशिल्ले ते म्हाका दिसता 800 रुपये आशिल्ले ते 1500 केले. बट दीज आर स्पेसिफिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ सर्टन पीपल ओनली. दे आर नॉट वॉल्यूम बिजनेसेस. So wherever it is volume, online has been made free of cost. That is this 4-5 certificates what we are talking about, which are requirements from students to the every category who would need this certification. So pure right to time bound and given online given free of cost केल्ले आसा. So there is no question of somebody saying rate question. Offline where we are giving common service center, जो मनीस तलाटी कडेन वतालो, मामलेदारा कडेन वतालो, 5 फाटी मेळना म्हणून बोवाळ मारतालो, the time he was losing, the time is money, and the time he was losing, the time to travel and back he was losing, the money spent there was losing. What we are saying is, if the common service center to आयलो and to delay, within that time period you can pick it up within that specified cost, nothing else to be paid. When you have this type of transparent processes, you are clearly keeping allegations of corruption off. You are giving services to the common man in the right thing. And marginally समज मातशे वाढले over the period of last 10 years of inflation, म्हाका दिसता people also have to understand. Still people feel जाल्यार pre-notification काडिल्लें आशिल्लें. Every rate increase is not decided by the government without any substance. It was a pre-notification. There were people who could have advocates जावं बाकीचे जावं, they could have easily objected or suggested what were the rates, and ताज्या मागीर final notification येता. The pre-notification did not have any objections. So when government proposes, it is for the common stakeholders to give their inputs and tell what the rates. If they are finding that rate too much, they will participatory process कर आणि आमकां सांग हे चड आसा कमी कर म्हणून. एक एप्लिकेशन सुद्धा येवना for saying that the rates need to be decreased or rates need to be relooked at.